The Digital Sandwich is a 2-year project. It's got £10 million total pot with £4 million worth of government funding from Made Smarter. And essentially what we're looking at doing is connecting up our supply chain into a single hub so we can share data and generate valuable insight from the supply chain. We're deploying a number of different digital technologies, coined digital fusion, which includes digital twins, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things and numerous others also, to almost create a smart factory that's interconnected both internally and with the rest of the supply chain. I think the first thing is you need to get your internal stakeholders on the board. You need to share the vision of what the innovation journey can deliver for the business. There's obviously a very strong commercial area to this, but it's also bringing on the values of the business as well and trying to demonstrate the values of the business and how this new technology and how there's a lovely synergy between following down this. The next thing I'd recommend is getting a very strong academic partner. We've been working with the University of Lincoln, our academic partner, for a number of years as well, and we couldn't have got as far as we could do on the journey without them. They've helped advise us on the application process to try and access the grant, the project management area there, and also to try and help place some of these quite complex jigsaw pieces together also. So they've offered a lot of support. I think it's also fair to say that Digital Catapult has been fundamental movers and shakers in helping us pull together this very exciting consortium as well. But I think it's leading with vision, it's being transparent, bringing people on board and imagining what the world could be deploying this, and rather than what the world is now, and having that enthusiasm to bring everyone with you.